What caused that? In the world of particle waves, the occurrence doesn't have a cause as we define it. So what does this mean? Every occurrence has a set of probability waves with various frequencies. This is its energy signature independent of the observer. Based on the Copenhagen interpretation, proposed by Niels Bohr and Werner Heisenberg in the 1920s, the observer determines the actual occurrence outcome. This happens because the observer's energy signature commingles with the energy signature of the occurrence. The cause then cannot be determined by scientific means, only the probability of the cause. There are other forces at work. A simultaneous interaction takes place with the creation or destruction of antiparticles, technically particle waves. Also, Bell's theorem, that is, superluminal speed, which is a necessary ingredient in keeping the universe non-deterministic, describes simultaneous entanglements that impact this occurrence's vibrational interactions across the universe simultaneously. The sum of these interactions and entanglements are intimately bound by the second law of thermodynamics in the form of a change in entropy, measured as an amount of disorder. Since the observer co-creates the occurrence, he or she changes the probability of uniform distribution, and therefore, the amount of disorder or randomness, entropy. As the observer's vibration frequency increases, disorder and randomness decreases. This is based on the probability of non-uniform distribution of energy signatures. Also, the outcome of the occurrence favors higher frequency results. There is also a feedback loop that occurs as a result of the observation and the outcome. This is known as data, information, and/or knowledge. In the case of no disorder, a torus forms with a zero-point energy field. The energy signature of entropy is also a set of particle waves measured as heat, thermodynamics. Because energy must be conserved, there is, or could be an interaction with the surrounding space-time and the entire universe to equalize its energy effect. For higher frequency waves, the effect is minimal to reversed, the torus. For low frequency waves it is greater since they travel further. This can be thought of as dharma on one end of the continuum or karma on the other. The best example of all of this is interpretation of this article. In 5D Addendum by Greg Prescott. The first thing that comes to mind after reading this article is how the law of attraction plays into manifesting that which you desire. Rich stated, since the observer co-creates the occurrence, he or she changes the probability of uniform distribution and therefore the amount of disorder or randomness, entropy. This means that when we place focused intent on anything, the probability of it manifesting increases greatly based on our vibrational levels and rate of frequency. In other words, the higher your vibrational level and frequency, the easier it becomes to manifest. Simple everyday things such as watching anything on the mainstream media or going to the movies to watch a horror flick will lower your vibration and frequency levels. Consequently, your ability to manifest decreases as well. On the other hand, if you maintain higher levels of vibration and frequency through connecting with nature, doing random acts of kindness for others, etc., your ability to manifest increases exponentially.